Hey, good morning. It's Mark Weiss. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I want to talk with you about a very common self-defeating negotiation error. Something that, unfortunately, medical group leaders make all the time. Here's how it works. Basically has to do with you allowing sort of the contracting rug, the negotiating rug, to be pulled out under you, or even worse, you helping the other side pull the rug out from under yourself. So let's come up with a common sort of example. You're negotiating for some agreement with a hospital. There are many terms to the agreement. You've come to terms on some, but not all of them, when the hospital begins putting pressure on you. We have to have this signed by next Tuesday. You know, if it's not signed by next Tuesday, we might send this thing out to an RFP. You are told things like, well, how could you be demanding these points? These are very minor points. I mean, it's insulting for you to bring these points up. I mean, you know, the agreement's fine like it is. Why are you just going back and forth on this when we have better things to do? We should be moving forward with the deal. If you bite on that, it's like, it's going to say a fish biting on a hook with a nice juicy salmon egg on it if you're trout fishing on a stream, but it's worse than that. It's biting on a shiny lure. There's not even any trout egg to swallow before you're hooked. You're basically falling prey to pressure, to a scare tactic that makes you believe, or rather feel, which is worse than believe, that you might be losing the deal. And because you probably have no option to this deal, if you're like many groups, haven't listened to my advice of multiple facilities, multiple deals, multiple facilities, so you can be the one that walks away, you now realize unless you have this deal, you have no reason to continue to exist as a group. Don't fall prey to being divided and separated yourself. Not even two sides, but two sides going on within your own thinking process. Do we press for provisions that we know we need, or do we cave because the deal is going to be yanked, or so you're being told? Don't negotiate against yourself.